How to measure stimulation threshold for a remedy model 1001. The threshold test function allows the user to measure the patient's stimulation threshold and determine appropriate stimulation settings. The threshold test icon is available in several locations. However, for this video, we will concentrate on a central location, specifically the tool's pull-down menu positioned at the top left-hand side. Simply click on Tools and proceed to Threshold Test. An alert box appears with a message stating the device must be programmed to off mode to use the threshold test feature. Select OK and place the device in off mode. In the threshold test window, the following parameters will be displayed: pulse width, frequency, anode, cathode, amplitude, stimulation duration, train interval, rising ramp duration, falling ramp duration, and ramp's baseline amplitude. All of the parameters except for amplitude, stimulation duration, and train interval will be displayed as they are permanently set within the device. Any of the parameters can be adjusted by simply clicking on the box next to the parameter. Amplitude will be displayed as 0 milliamps and will need to be selected to the specific milliamp. If performing multiple stimulation threshold tests and constantly changing amplitude, just click on the thumbnail icon and the amplitude screen will stay locked on the screen. The other two parameters, stimulation duration and train interval, will default to 2 seconds for stimulation duration and 4 seconds for train interval. Ensure to modify this when delivering a train of stimulation at a particular respiratory rate to replicate the normal operation of the device for the patient. Keep in mind any changes to the threshold test screen are not permanently set within the device and must be adjusted on the parameter screen after. For example, if I change falling ramp duration to 30%, it is not changed within the device in the Stimulus tab, as seen here. After selecting the desired test conditions, select the Test Start button to enable delivery of the test stimulation pulse or train. Once selected, the Test Start button and the Programmable Parameter Settings option will become inactive and the Single Pulse or Train Start buttons may be selected. The Single Pulse option will deliver a single asynchronous test stimulation pulse, and the Test Start option will deliver a continuous pulse train according to the selected parameters. If a change in parameters is desired or testing is completed, select the Test Stop button. After delivering a single stimulation, a threshold result screen appears instructing the user to select the appropriate type of response based on the stimulation: no response, weak, medium, strong, or ERS, extra respiratory sensation. By selecting a response, it ensures that the response is saved within the device and can be reviewed in the History tab. By not selecting a response and simply selecting an X, the response will not be saved in the History tab. It will simply state pulse delivered, but no more data will be displayed. Once testing is complete, select Test Stop and press X. After selecting X, an alert box will appear reminding you to place the device in therapy or monitor mode post-threshold test. Select Mode of Preference and press Program. These are the steps for how to measure stimulation threshold on a remedy model 1001.